Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ms. Biochemist, and you are at the Biochemist Corner. So, today we are going to shed some light on how to build a career in bioinformatics as a beginner. So, I am your host, and I will guide you how, by following some steps, you could easily start your career as a beginner bioinformatician. Moreover, you could also see that by following several steps, you could easily transit your journey from a beginner bioinformatician to an expert. So let's dive in. Before we begin into today's exciting content, take a moment to subscribe my channel, hit that notification bell and stay tuned until the end of this video for free career boosting resources and much more. So let's get started. Before we begin, we must first understand what is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the intersection of biology, computer science, and mathematics. It is a field that is revolutionizing our understanding of life and improving human health. When broken down, the term bioinformatics reveals its meaningful components. Like bio means life, inform stands for information technology, whereas ma stands for mathematics, T is representing a contribution of statistics, and lastly, CS denotes the computer science or computational methods. It is commonly observed that students with a life sciences background often fear mathematics. However, math is an intrinsic part of our lives and it is a skill that can be developed with practice. With consistent effort, anyone can become proficient in math. Remember, math is not just a subject, it is a tool to analyze, interpret, and understand the world around us. Bioinformatics involves analyzing human biological data or any living thing data. For instance, it could be a bacteria, a fungi, or a plant. So, to begin a career as a beginner in bioinformatics, you should have prior knowledge of biomolecules, including nucleotides, proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. Additionally, familiarity with the key terminologies is essential. For instance, gene expression, DNA sequencing, genome assembly, and genomics. Understanding their fundamental concepts will provide a solid foundation of exploring bioinformatics tools, techniques, and applications. Parallel to that, to begin your career as a bioinformatics, you must have some knowledge of computer as well. So familiarity with computer systems, operating systems and software installation is essential. And luckily, in today's digital age, many people are already knowledgeable and skilled in these areas. So, fortunately, many individuals already possess these skills, making it easier to transition into bioinformatics. Previously, scientists spent considerable time and resources studying a single molecule. However, with the advent of bioinformatics, researchers can now easily visualize and analyze not only the structure of biomolecules but also their interactions and functional relationships. Through the integration of computer science and biology, bioinformatics has enabled rapid visualization of molecular structures, identification of protein to protein interactions, analysis of genomic and proteomic data, prediction of molecular functions and pathways. So, bioinformatics has revolutionized the field of molecular biology, making it possible to study biomolecules in detail and depth. Bioinformatics has dramatically reduced research time and cost, enabling scientists to focus on higher level questions. Technologies like molecular modeling, docking, and simulation have enabled researchers to predict protein structures and interactions. So basically, bioinformatics has enabled researchers to visualize molecular structures instead of molecular structures can now be visualized through bioinformatics. The scope of bioinformatics is vast and expanding rapidly. For pharmaceutical giants, bioinformatics is the game changer in drug discovery and development. By analyzing vast amount of genomic data, bioinformaticians identify potential therapeutic targets, design personalized treatments, and streamline clinical trials. This precision medicine approach is revolutionizing healthcare. Whereas genomics and sequencing companies also rely on bioinformatics to unlock the secrets of personalized medicine. By deciphering genomic codes, bioinformaticians develop targeted therapies, improve diagnostic accuracy, and enhance patient outcomes. Meanwhile, research centers utilize bioinformatics to unravel the complexities of biological systems. By analyzing large-scale biological data, bioinformaticians identify patterns, predict outcomes, and advance basic and translational research. Here, I already mentioned the name of some renowned centers who are growing fastly in this field. A career in bioinformatics can be pursued through two distinct paths. On one hand, you can become a bioinformatics analyst or user utilizing existing software and tools to analyze and interpret complex biological data. This role requires a strong foundation in life sciences, including biology, genetics, and biochemistry. Whereas, on the other hand, you can also pursue a career as bioinformatics software developer, designing, developing, and maintaining the very tools and software used in the field. This role demands strong programming skills in languages like Python, R, and Java, as well as expertise in software development, data structures, and algorithms. To succeed in this exciting field of bioinformatics, you will need a unique combination of skills, a T shaped expertise. At the core of this T shape is a deep understanding of biology. You will need to grasp the intricacies of genetics, biochemistry, and molecular biology. This foundational knowledge will allow you to comprehend complex biological problems and identify potential solutions. But that is only half the story. To turn your biological insights into actionable discoveries, you will also require a broad range of computational skills. This is where the horizontal bar of the T shape comes in: familiarity with programming languages, data structures, algorithms, and machine learning. As you embark on this journey, remember that T-shaped knowledge is not static. It requires your continuous learning and adaptation. So get more insights in data analysis, data statistics, and data interpretation. In the dynamic realm of bioinformatics, you need to acquire the skill set of programming languages. Programming languages are serve as the bridge between biological data and groundbreaking discoveries. Imagine a researcher seeking to unravel the genetic mysteries of a rare disease. She turns to Python, leveraging its simplicity and versatility to parse vast amount of genomic data. With libraries like BioPython, she effortlessly navigates complex biological sequences. Meanwhile, a computational biologist employs R to analyze gene expression patterns, uncovering hidden patterns in microarray data. So, by mastering these languages, bioinformaticians unlock the secrets hidden within biological data. As the bioinformatician had acquired the skill set of programming languages, now it's time to learn it with tools and softwares of bioinformatics. For instance, Java's scalability makes it ideal for developing algorithms for protein structure prediction, integrating seamlessly with tools like BLAST and GenBank. So these models learn from vast data sets, identifying patterns undetectable by human eye. In the vast landscape of bioinformatics, database management stands as a cornerstone, supporting the ever-growing tower of biological data. Imagine a vast library where genomic, proteomic, and metabolomic information is meticulously stored, waiting to be unraveled. GenBank, Protein Data Bank, UniProt, Ensemble, and UCSC Genome Browser serve as the primary archives, housing the blueprints of life. Effective database management ensures that this intricate information is accurate, accessible, and actionable. Bioinformatics certification courses empower professionals to unlock their potential in this rapidly evolving field. Coursera, edX, Udemy are offering free online courses that are ranges from 2 to 6 months. By completing these programs, individuals enhance job prospects, improve skills, gain industry recognition, expand networking opportunities, and stay updated with industry advancements, ultimately driving innovation in bioinformatics and precision medicine. After mastering bioinformatics through certification courses, gain hands-on experience through internship in research institutions, hospitals, or companies. Participate in small-scale research projects, collaborating with experts to develop skills and build networks. Co-author research papers and publications to demonstrate expertise and establish credibility. Networking is key, so attend conferences, workshops, and online forums to connect with professionals and stay updated on industry trends. With the demand for skilled bioinformaticians soaring, job opportunities abound in pharmaceutical, biotech, healthcare, research institutes, and academia. Top companies, as I already mentioned, like Illumina, Thermo Fisher, Biorad, Pfizer, and Novartis, seek bioinformatics analysts, computational biologists, genomic specialists, research scientists, and data analysts. Stay current with industry advancements, develop strong programming skills, and showcase expertise through publications and presentations to succeed in this field. Pursuing advanced degrees can also propel you to senior levels during innovation and advancement in precision medicine, genomics, and beyond. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and join me next time for more exciting discoveries. Subscribe for more episodes and turn on notifications. Your feedback is valuable. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.